In today's video, I'll show you how to delete templates in Monday Conference so you can keep your workspace clutter-free and organized. First, log into your monday.com account and head to the product switcher in the top right corner. From there, open the template center. Inside, look for the created by section. This is where all the templates you or your team have made are stored. Browse through and find the one you want to delete. Once you have selected it, click the three-dot menu next to the template. From the options, choose Delete, then select Permanently Delete. A confirmation will pop up. Click Delete Template to finalize. And that's it. The template is now removed, keeping your template library clean and efficient. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Monday tutorials.